Hey guys, I want to be anything but poor. So, in this video I show how to make money online on your phone. Only you need to do is watch a short videos to earn real money on PayPal. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and don't forget to click on notification to watch my new videos. Thank you in advance for your active. Here we go. Today I will use a new app for earn money. It's called Earnly. In this application you can earn a lot of coins, which give you opportunity to get a lot of money from this application. First of all, you can get a daily bonus. To do this, you click on the button claim and get your daily coins. After that, you watch a short video, close it and get coins on your balance. As you can see, you can rate this application on Google Play and get more points. But now I don't do this. For example, you can play games. As you can see, this is Motor X3 War. If you play this game for 6 minutes, you will receive 50 coins on your balance. Only what you do is click on button play. You can choose our game which you like and play this game. After that, you go to spin the wheel, and if you spin the wheel and watch a short video, you will receive a reward on your balance. As you can see, now I have 70 coins on my balance. In this app I can watch a short videos. Every video I watched, I will get a reward on my balance. As you can see, I watching a short video. Click on next. After that, close this ad, go to home page, and after a few minutes my balance will be increased. The next step to earn a lot of money in this application is top offers. As you can see, there is a service, there is a honey game, it's a game where you're playing, it's a partner game where you can play games and get a lot of rewards there. When you play this game, you will get a reward in this app. It's very easy. For example, you can go to your service and answer questions. After you finished it, you will get a coins in this application. Next step, if you step up your game, if you hard work in this app, you will stay here, and every day you will get a lot of coins from leaderboard. Next step, if your friends wants to work with you, you can copy this code and share with him this application, and you and your friends will be work here, and you will have a percent from his earn. It's very easy. If you invite 5 friends, 10 friends or 20 friends, you will get rewards. As you can see, it's 50 coins, 100 coins and 400 coins. My rewards now is 70 coins. If I want to get money from this application, I can choose a PayPal. Minimum coins to withdraw from this application is $10,000. Is $1, and my payment request will be sent to me within from 1 to 7 working days. It's important information. Think about it. I can use Papara and gift card from Google Play. This is my statistic. If you want to check your earning, go to transactions and you can see daily check-in, video credit. For every video you see in this app, you will receive 30 coins on your balance. Link on this app will be in description of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I wish you a good life and good work, a lot of money. See you in the next video.